Hey everybody, Aaron and Nicole here, and tonight we are making a very simple chicken teriyaki. And what we're using is some chicken thighs. It's about 1.5 pounds. There's about 5 thighs in there. I've got 6 cups of water. It's lukewarm, and we're going to pour in about 1.5 tablespoons of salt, which you can go ahead and do, and about 1/2 cup of teriyaki marinade. So we've got 2 types of marinade here. The second one is going to be for the finishing sauce.
Oh crap, sorry.
Get that in there and you can stir it up a little bit and then throw in your chicken. We're just going to let that marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then it's time to cook it up. Just like so. Just give it a little bit of a stir and let it sit there for a few minutes. Okay, so the chicken's just about done marinating, so we're going to heat up the wok here. I've got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in there. We're going to put it on about medium heat. And while that's warming up, I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect rice. And what we use is jasmine rice, salt, pepper, a little bit, it's about 1 tablespoon of butter, and 2 cups of rice. And this trick will work pretty much with any pan and any amount of rice that you want to cook. So I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. Okay, to make the perfect rice, this is what my mama taught me, and I use it every time. So when you put your rice in, you want to fill up the water so that when you stick your finger and the tip of your finger touches the rice, you want the water level right at your first knuckle. About like that. And that's exactly the amount of water that you want. And it doesn't matter how much rice you have in there, so you can use 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, just use that technique. Then what we do is we throw in some salt, pepper, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Alright, so your ingredients are in there, and I just added about 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper to the rice. We've got it set on high, and once this comes to a boil, go ahead and turn it all the way back down to simmer. Stir it up a little bit and then cover it and let it set for about 15 minutes or so at a simmer. Okay, the rice is starting to boil, so I'm going to stir it up here a little bit just to break it up some. And we're going to turn this all the way down to low, which is simmer. And from there we'll just cover it up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Alright, the wok is nice and hot, so we're going to go ahead and throw in the chicken. This will be done in a couple batches. And as you can see, I've already cut up the chicken and trimmed off some of the fat. So this is going to sizzle up pretty good, so make sure that your kids are nowhere near the oil as it splatters some. Okay, once the chicken's browned up, about 7 to 8 minutes, go ahead and remove it. And you're going to let it drain while the rest of the chicken's cooking up. Alright, once the chicken's browned up, it takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Just go ahead and remove it and stick it on a paper towel or something just to drain off the excess oil, and start adding the rest of the chicken in. Alright, the chicken's about finishing up here. We're going to check the rice. It looks like it's pretty good. The water's gone. And turn it off. Just going to fluff it up here. Okay, so I've got all the chicken cooked up. The rice is ready to go, so we're just going to throw the chicken back into the wok on medium heat and toss in the additional teriyaki sauce, which is very, very teriyaki. This is some of the best stuff. We'll just kind of heat it up and let it get sticky, and it'll be good to go. So that's about 1/4 cup. Just let that simmer here for a second, and then we'll be ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Let me know how it goes.